Welcome back to Learning with Our Difference News Headlines in English for 25th of September. And first of all, national news. Percentage of TOEFL test takers in India up from 5.83% in 2021 to 7.77% in 2022. Supreme Court judge stressed on demystifying legal language for common man. 18-year-old lioness died of heart attack in Andhra Pradesh Vizag Zoo. All stations developed in Azadi Ka Amrit Kal will be called Amrit Bharat stations, PM Modi. Kerala to get more than 400 Vande Bharat Express trains, Union Minister. Indian Navy got third missile cum ammunition barge. And now some international news. Iran said 28 linked to IS arrested for planning to attack Tehran. NASA capsule with first asteroid sample set for touchdown in US desert. Biden to host Pacific Island leaders in US charm offensive against China. In a daring heist, ancient Buddha statue worth rupees 12.5 crore stolen from US art gallery. Now sports news. India achieved the massive record during the second ODI against Australia in Indore. Asian Games Indian men's doubles duo Saket Ramanathan progress into pre-quarter finals. Indian women's 10-meter air rifle team bagged silver. Ramita Jindal won individual bronze. Business related news. Deadline to add nominees for mutual fund investors DMAT account holders will end on September 30. FPI's outflow in equities crossed rupees 10,000 crore mark in September on rising interest rates. Micron began construction of India's first chip assembly plant. Tata roped in for $2.75 billion project in Gujarat. And that's all in news. Thank you.